Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm a 2 MW input and a stable 48V bus so the beacon won't brown out. Next, mount the beacon core and align the index marks. Tighten all 6 bolts to rated torque to prevent vibration. Once done, calibrate the antenna, set its elevation to 37 degrees, and lock the servo. These first steps ensure you have power, mechanical stability, and the correct initial pointing, so the bridge can initialize reliably. You continue by loading the only way sequence into the beacon's flash memory, use the manifest tool, and confirm checksum matches. Then set the transmit parameters. 12. 6 GHz carrier with plus or minus 0. 5 MHz modulation depth so the receiving bridge can lock. Once configured, engage the sequencer and watch for the green LED plus 3 consecutive heartbeat pulses. This confirms the control FSM reached steady state. Make sure to monitor telemetry for flux and temperature. You finish by ramping power to full output in controlled 10% steps while watching the load and thermal sensors. This prevents sudden surges. Once at 100%, verify the link with the receiving node. RSSI above -72 dB and a confirmed sync packet mean the bridge is established. If the link fails, run the diagnostic suite, perform a soft reset, and realign the antenna. These steps resolve most alignment, power, or firmware state issues quickly so you can reattempt activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.